So you open Outlook and nothing loads. Your email, contacts, calendar, everything you depend on just gone. And this all happened because your PST file corruption is more common than you think. And it happens when Outlook crashes unexpectedly, when your mailbox grows too large, or after a certain system shutdown. And when it does, Microsoft's own repair tool Scan PST, it often fails on the file that need fixing the most. So you're left with no email, no contacts, no calendar, and no idea where to turn. But there's a better way with a quick solution, introducing the Stellar Online PST Repair, the fastest, safest way to fix your corrupt PST file right from your browser only. No software to download, no Outlook installation needed, just upload, repair and recover in as little as in 15 minutes. And here's how easy it is, and it can be done in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, click Repair PST File and upload your corrupt file. Stellar support PST file up to 5 GB and the first repair up to 500 MB is completely free. So no credit card required. Now the next step, Stellar engine gets to work automatically. Your file is analyzed and repaired in a full secure environment with zero human access to your data. It's private, it's automated, and it's very fast. And now in the third step, preview your recovered data right in the browser. Email, contacts, calendar, entries, attachment, note, task, all is being restored exactly as they were before. So once you are satisfied, simply download your required PST file, and for your protection, all data is permanently deleted from our server within 24 hours. And once the PST file has been downloaded, now next what you have to do, bring up the Outlook. From the left and top, click on File, click on Open and Export, click on Import and Export again. Now choose the import from another program, click on Next. Outlook data file, I will select, click on Next. I will click on Browse, then browse the same location where I downloaded this fixed PST file. And once I select it, now you can see that all the files are importing here on my Outlook. And once it will be done, bingo, now you can see on the left hand side, I can find all my categories, all my corrupted categories that I was unable to view, but now I can easily view them. I can view each and every section here, whether I go to deleted items, I go to archive, conversation history, or to any other category here. You can see I can view all the items here. So this way, within few clicks only, you can fix your corrupted PST file and you can recover all the item inside it. So see how simple it was. And Stellar has been the world's most trusted name in the data recovery for over 30 years. More than 100,000 PST files have already been repaired using this service. It works with all the Outlook version from 2003 to 2021 on any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge or Safari. So don't lose your email. Don't waste another hour with tool that doesn't work. Repair your PST file for free right now in a minute. Visit their website and get your Outlook back today.